This simple dal chawal recipe makes you hunger instant satisfy. So let's start. Here I am going to do multitasking. So I have put one pan, adding salt, garam masala, and zira for a simple zira rice. And on other side, I have put pressure cooker with water, salt, and turmeric powder. Let it get hot and move to next step. I have took one bowl of rice and wash it nicely, then transfer into hot water. Stir it once and cover it with lid. Let it get cooked on medium to low flame. Now I have took whole masoor dal, 1 medium bowl. Wash it nicely. 2 to 3 water and add into pressure cooker. If you add little bit desi ghee into boiling water before applying lid to pressure cook, the extra water won't came out while whistle. Our plain zira rice are cooked half, stir it once, and put lid on. Now we will prepare tadka for dal. Let's go. I have took 1 onion, 4 green chilies, 1 big sized tomato, piece of ginger, and 2 to 3 clove of garlic and coriander. Let's chop these all medium to fine size and put aside. At this point, our plain rice are already cooked. Strain them and put aside. Now add oil into frying pan, let it get hot, add zira, let it crackle, then add chopped ginger garlic. Stir it until turn light brown. Then add chopped green chili and onion into this. Stir it 2 to 3 minutes until onion turns translucent. Keep flame low to medium to tadka wouldn't stick on the pan. In meantime, we will cut tomato into medium-sized cubes. Tomato look much better into dal if we cut this into quite chunky size instead of chopping it finely. Look, our onion have become translucent. Now we will add turmeric and red chili powder. Mix it and let it cooked 2 to 3 minutes. Now add chopped tomatoes. Mix it well with masala. As soon as we add tomatoes, we also add salt. It helps to cook tomatoes. But stop cooking onion, garlic, ginger to maintain their taste. Leave it until masala get cooked nicely. You will see oil get separated from masala. At this point, add any garam masala and mix it. Now we are almost done. Now add our boiled dal into this masala and mix it well. This step is optional. You can add this masala direct into cooker. I do this as it helps to transfer all tadka effortlessly into cooker. Now I'm going to add chopped coriander into this and mix it. Let it get boiled for 5 more minutes and your simple dal tadka is ready to serve. Add hot rice into plate, then add dal and lemon. This tastes so good with lemon. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.